Hi friends, welcome to Sir Kandron LDC classes. In this class we are going to see some pass rules regarding some objective questions. Okay, let us start the class. Including dependents, how many members to be included in privilege pass? 5 members. Can widow mother be included in post-retirement complementary pass? True. Can a divorced or widow daughter's son be included as dependent for pass? False. Can legally divorced sister be shown as dependent in pass? True. How many dependents are allowed in complementary pass? Maximum 2. In the case of son, till what age can the parent be included in school pass? Up to 18 years. How many sets of pass can level 5 employed be issued in second A? 3 set. Can the grade pay level 6 employees be issued first class pass? True. Can the second class A pass holder take attendance for free? False. After complementary of 20 years of service, how many sets of passes per year is passed to the widow of group A, B after death? Half set per year. What is the maximum number of privilege pass given to an officer? 6 full sets. Can the first class pass holder travel in Rajdhani Express? True. What is the minimum qualifying service required for eligibility of complementary pass? 20 years. Is travel break allowed within the school account pass? Yes, if specified in the pass. If a retired employee misuse the complementary pass, can his next pass be confiscated under disciplinary rules? True. If any member of the family or dependent is blind with both eyes and traveling alone on the PTO, then the partner is allowed to travel in the same category? True. Can Arjun or President's Award or Padma Venus is issued with pass of higher class? True. A retired person who represents the railway in judicial matter can be given a special pass? True. What percentage of the running allowances is calculated for running staff for first class pass eligibility? 30%. Is the general manager competent of waiving the irregularity including a son aged more than 21 years independent without a school certificate? True. What is the period of validity for return trip on privilege ticket order? 5 months. Can privilege pass be issued in favor of legally divorced wife of a railway employee? Yes, if the employee wants. What is the validity of complementary pass issued to licensed porter? 2 months. Second class A pass holder is entitled to travel in which category? In 3 tier AC. While the legally divorced sister get the pass? Yes, if the father is not alive and fully dependent on the employee, then he will get. How many dependents can be included in privilege pass? Maximum 2. What is the color of pass given to officer? White. After completion of 5 years service, Group D employee are eligible for 3 sets of privilege passes. SC/ST candidates are issued free pass to appear for requirement. After completion of 5 years, Group D employee are eligible for 4 sets of PTOs. 70 kg of luggage is permissible to first class privilege pass holder. Group D employee who has completed 20 years qualifying service is eligible for 2 sets of complementary pass. Divisional railway manager is eligible for silver medal token. Validity of half set complementary pass is 5 months. Gazetted officer is eligible for 6 sets of privilege passes in railways. Gazetted officer who has completed 35 years of continuous service is eligible for 3 sets of complementary passes. 3 sets number of school check pass are issued per year. The color of first class A pass is white. The metal token or duty pass are gold, silver and bronze. GM is entitled for gold medal token. After attendant of first class A pass holder can travel in first class. False. Question I repeat. Attendant of first class A pass holder can travel in first class. False. Unmarried daughter can be included in privilege pass. True. Widow sister can be included in privilege pass as dependent. True. Color of second A pass is pink. False. Higher grade pass can be issued on medical grounds. True. Casual leave cannot be combined with on-duty period. False. Name of dependent mother-in-law can be included in the privilege pass of widows who was appointed on compassionate ground. True. Widow pass scheme started from 12th March 1987. Color of second class A pass is yellow. Attendant of first class A pass can be travel in second class. Validity of half set of PTO is 5 months. What is the color of first class pass? Green. Types of passes issued to railway servants and his bona fide dependents. First privilege pass, second duty pass, third school pass, fourth complimentary pass, 5 widow pass, 6 residential card pass, 7th special pass. Who is entitled for first class pass? Non-gazetted employee working in level 6 and above. Type of passes issued to employees in level 5 are second A. Can second A pass be issued to employees working in level as duty pass? False. Question I repeat. Can second A pass be issued to employees working in level as duty pass? False. How many sets of second A pass can be issued to employees working in level 1? 1 full set per year. Total privilege passes issued to a non-gazetted employee in a year is 1 set per year for 5 years from date of appointment, 3 passes per year on completion of 5 years service. How many passes gazetted officers get at the time of appointment? 6 sets of first A passes. Question I repeat. How many passes gazetted officers get at the time of appointment? 6 sets of first A passes. Can the school account passes be issued without any school certificate? Yes, but school certificate must be submitted within 1 month after issuance of pass. How many sets of passes will be payable to widow if employee dies after 5 years of service? 1 set pass payable per year. Residential card pass will be issued of which category? Privilege pass category. Can a special pass is given to the employee who has been removed from service? Yes, to attend his personal hearing. How many sets of passes are payable to the employees working in the cooperative society or bank? 2 sets. 2 years nil. Service of 3 years to 20 years. 1 set privilege pass, 2 set PTOs. Post 20 years, 2 sets pass and 2 sets PTOs. Question I repeat. How many sets of passes are payable to the employees working in the cooperative society or bank? First 2 years nil. Service of 3 years to 20 years. Service of 3 years to 20 years. 1 set privilege pass, 2 set PTO. Post 20 years, 2 sets pass, 2 sets PTOs. How many days in advance can a privilege pass of next year be issued? Maximum 120 days. Is permission granted to take an attendant in Garib Rath train or Rajdhani train? False. Facility of companion is available on which pass and at what age? On complimentary or widow pass if a member below 65 years of age is not available. Okay friends, here we are discussing some pass related questions which is necessary for our information purpose or also for our exam purpose. Okay, I hope you will understood in a better way. Thank you.